Let's discuss what you're getting for your money. You're getting a hydrogen inhalation system engineered by leading scientists, engineers, and innovators in the field, designed to deliver therapeutic results in the safest way possible. Now, how does this device compare to other similar devices? Compared to other hydrogen inhalation devices, the Inhale H2 stands in a class of its own, especially amongst H2 mixed with air systems. Its internationally patented design goes far beyond standard safety features. While most units include safety mechanisms, this device takes protection to an entire new level. That's important because hydrogen is a flammable gas, and without proper engineering, inhalation systems can pose a risk. The Inhale H2, however, is built to virtually eliminate those concerns, doubling down on safety so the user carries almost no responsibility for risk management. Beyond safety, it also delivers a controlled and consistent hydrogen dose every time, something most devices on the market simply can't match. There's so much more where this comes from. If this video interests you, make sure you check out our full review of this product. At H2HUBB, we review all kinds of hydrogen therapy products, so be sure to subscribe to H2HUBB to check out our other reviews.